This right here is my YouTube channel. All right. These are all my little videos right here. I've been doing it for 3 years. Okay. So this is like creating and this is documenting. What's creating and what's documenting? Creating is creating something like we're doing something, creating something. Document is just document what I do. The whole reason why I do this and the whole reason why you need to do this is because this is the new resume. Does this make sense? What's a resume? You don't know if somebody's gonna hire you to be doing health and wellness. You don't know if somebody's gonna be hiring you to do designs and none of that stuff. So it goes hand in hand together because you don't have to hire no marketing person or design person. That makes sense? You're gonna do it all yourself. You're gonna create your own website. You're gonna do all of this stuff. You have to. There's no way around it. You know how to do it? All right, do it. You don't know how to do it. You don't know how to do it. So yeah, I'm happy to be back though. Hopefully I'm back in the fall and we can get this going and flowing. Look at my little pen I got. Look at that. Ain't that raw? I got that from PNC. Oh, that's raw. That's fire.